Hey, I'm Trip.
And I'm Ash.
And this is our Ford Transit conversion build.
Come join us on our adventures.
Wow. Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're putting a van to its first test. We're gonna go glamping.
Yeah.
We're going to Pickett Memorial
State Park.
For stay like 2 nights, kind of test the van out, see how she does. It's not done, it's far from done, but it's close enough to where we can use it and see what we like, what we don't like. If you want to change something or give us other ideas of, to finish the rest of the van. So let's go. Well, we're here at our campsite. The van did good on the trip here. No complaints. And we got here, was like, we need to set up. Which we don't have a whole lot to set up. Since most of everything's in the van.
So it's nice and really great because if we had a tent, that looks really rocky and muddy. So we're kind of glad to be glamping a little bit right now. Some shade.
But we can't set up a canopy and chairs.
Yes.
We tried all there is to try. I'm not gonna let you fall aside. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you. So many times we tried to outrun the night. I place my hand on your face. Breathe with me. We need to go a little faster, a little faster. We tried all there is to try. I'm not gonna let you fall aside. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you.
So a little review on the van. This was the first time we've actually taken on the interstate. Every other time we've driven it, it's just been to Lowe's and back. And that's all we've really driven it. So it was about 2.5 hours to get here. So the van did great. Comfortable to drive and not very noisy except for the fans. The max air fans, you can hear the wind coming through there. Yeah, other than some noise coming from the fan, it did really good. And we'll test out the sleeping arrangements and stuff tonight. But first, more hiking.
We need to go a little faster, a little faster. Let
Made it to the cave.
The cave of wonders.
Where does sand come from?
Oh, we're under a giant thing of sandstone.
I don't see any beaches. I told you I hate sand.
We don't hate sand.
Eyes on highways, hold on tight. We need to go a little faster, a little.
So last night was the first time we got to sleep in the van, and did pretty good.
Very well. Both had plenty of room to sleep, almost how we would in our own normal bed. And it slept cool. I didn't get overheated,
The fans lasted overnight.
which
So
surprised
we
me.
had 2 fans running all night, and they both lasted. So, and we both did a lot of hiking yesterday, and were kind of sore, and woke up refreshed and ready to go.
Yeah, not fatigued at all. Like, very good sleep.
A lot nicer than sleeping in a tent.
Yeah, because then you feel like crap the next day.
Nasty. I really wanted to go in the cave, but that wood is like ice. Like, that's an instant death. But
It's really cool.
no go in the cave.
Don't we?
It's a snake.
It's a snaky. Tell us. Oh, look, its little tongue. They're so cute, little snakes. Or sheep.
2 cups. 3 cups.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Trick life. I don't know, you may have a good vantage point, but so do I. So big. I lost them.
So a bell and 3 cubs was about, say, 20 feet from my campsite,
Probably like 15.
if not closer. Luckily they kept on walking,
I didn't have to scare them away.
trying to take our food.
We tried all there is to try. I'm not gonna let you fall this time. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody
Headed back to the van. We're done. Time to go home. Tired of walking. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like it. And also subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down here somewhere. Looks like a bell. I don't think it jingles. And if you're quarantined like me, stuck at home, nothing to do, well, I got plenty of things to do, you can check out one of my other videos where I fix or break things or crash or everything else. But until then, stay safe, have fun, don't do anything I would do. Peace out.